Alright. I haven't posted in a while, but I've been doing plenty to the bike. And I'm out here in the rain testing out this new like high fender. So it's a split fender. Been splashing through some puddles and stuff. And I'm stoked. So the idea of the split fender, high fender at the top, and then I've just cut back the rear fender. You'll see that on a few bikes. Check out the Aprilia Touareg 660 Rally. Has the same sort of setup, and also got the kind of Rally inspired high yellow lights going on there. They work awesome at night too. Not that I've had that much chance, but yeah, mud management is great. Splashes, it's not like I'm getting splashed with lots of stuff. Yeah, works awesome. All right, see you out there.